Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're hearing a horrible grinding noise from the blades of your TM31, it's likely a sign that the blade assembly is damaged or improperly seated. This issue can stem from wear and tear over time or from foreign objects getting caught in the blade mechanism. If not addressed promptly, this problem can lead to more severe damage, making your device unusable. Now, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and some soft cloths to protect the surfaces of your device. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the base using your Phillips screwdriver. Remove them carefully and lift the lid off. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. The component we need to focus on is the blade assembly. You can locate it directly beneath the mixing bowl. Look for any signs of wear or damage. To extract the assembly, gently twist it counterclockwise while pulling upwards. If it feels stuck, you may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it loose slightly. When removing it, be cautious of any cables nearby to avoid accidental disconnections. Once the old assembly is out, take your new blade assembly and align it with the central post. Push down firmly and twist it clockwise until it locks into place. Make sure it's secure but avoid applying excessive force. Now, as you prepare to reassemble your Thermomix, ensure that no tools or cloths are left inside the device. Replace the lid carefully, aligning it with the base, and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them just enough to hold everything in place but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the casing. Once assembled, plug your Thermomix back in and test it. Run a short program to see if the noise persists. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your appliance and check for any foreign objects before using it. Additionally, avoid overloading the device, as this can put unnecessary strain on the blade assembly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.